What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I need to show you guys something. You see, I'm in profits. My account is $716, and it's a trader's way account, so the leverage is quite big. Let me show you something. You see how late I enter these trades. How late I entered them, but still I managed to make 50% of my account. Somebody's gonna say I'm gambling, but this is not gambling, man. Like in less than 30 minutes, I've made half of my account. I've made 50% of my account. Of course, I'm capitalizing on the leverage. That's why they call me Mr. Leverage. You see, but it is what it is, man. Like we are not trying to uh, do anything new here. We're just showing you what is already happening. I'm going to upload a video later today. I'm going to let this trade run for a few minutes and see if I can double my account. I'm going to upload a video this today and show you guys how my students killed it this week, even with news, the power of this market approach. It's simple, man. We're simplifying it. And if you have not yet joined the Rockstar $250 challenges yet, where I'll be trading with people for 21 days. Make sure you sign up, make sure you join. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. God bless you. We love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.